Hiya, me again. I am going to tell you about three of my most favourite TikTok accounts for interiors for a little bit of light-hearted humour, bit of tongue-in-cheek. Here's number one. First up, we have the amazing Mike Welch. He's fantastic. Here he is. He is so funny for typical interior design things that we face sometimes. Slightly exaggerated, but very amusing if you're bored for a minute and you were having a scroll. Number two is the fabulous Colleen Landry. She is great. She's very real for all you mums out there who are living the life, trying desperately to make your home into this beautiful showroom and having to put up with your husband or your partner or your children's accessories and getting them into the space. She's very funny for some light humour. And last but not at all least is Daryl Robinson. All you DIYers out there. Very relatable content, very, very funny for a quick giggle. Hope that's helpful. Take care.